Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to make a donut drawing. First, grab your pencil and paper. Begin by drawing a large, light circle for the outer edge of your donut. Inside that, draw a smaller, perfectly centered circle to create the donut hole. These initial shapes form the basic structure, so take your time to get them just right. Think of it as building the foundation for your delicious artwork. Now, let's give our donut some character. Instead of perfect circles, gently adjust your lines to make them a bit wobbly, giving it a more realistic, baked look. Next, draw a wavy line along the top half of the donut, representing the delicious frosting dripping down. Once you're happy with the overall shape, go over your lines with a slightly darker pencil to make them stand out. Time for the fun details. Let's add some sprinkles. Draw tiny, varied shapes like small ovals or short lines scattered across the frosting. Don't make them too uniform. Variety adds realism. Next, use light shading just under the frosting's edge to give it a lifted, three-dimensional appearance. Finally, with very light, circular motions, hint at the donut's bready texture on the exposed parts. Now for the grand finale, coloring. Select warm, inviting browns for the donut itself, and then let your imagination run wild with frosting colors. Think bright pinks, blues, or classic chocolate. Apply your colors smoothly, building up layers to achieve a rich, appealing depth. Add a few highlights to make it truly pop. And hey, if you're looking to bring more life into your creative space, check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.